What's going on, everybody? Welcome back once again to Kixkeya Global Village. Right now, I am in the Gambia, in this particular area called Bakau, Gambia. And so I'm inside this botanical garden. And so I'm gonna share with you guys this amazing, beautiful botanical garden. We're gonna go through and I'm gonna share with y'all the different plants, the different foods, the different fruits that they have here in this particular botanical garden. So once again, let's get it, let's go.
Vegetables and the seafoods in that place. It's just because of what? It's because of farming. If you don't farm it, where are you going to get that? Because Allah has utilized so many things for us. So it's dependent on us. For us, our creation and get something to eat.
It's okay.
No problem. You can take my picture on it. But actually, I don't say I don't take picture, but it's very rare to see it.
It's okay.
Okay. First of all, here.
Yes.
This portion, has been demarcated and separated by the plots. Okay. Here is the pepper, the small pepper, which we call it kili pepper.
Okay.
That's why you put kili pepper here. Okay, if you look at the, we have the demarcation, you'll see we have separated. Okay, in the middle part here, that's where you put green pepper.
Okay.
Yeah, that's green pepper, that big ones.
Okay.
Okay. This portion also is for lettuce, as you see. We are just even uprooting them. If you see observe the place, you have seen the species, be scattered. We are just uprooting them. We are planning, to put something there. But right now, recently, there are lettuce here.
Okay.
The front there you see that's the sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Yeah,
okay.
let's go here is the sweet potato. Okay, this portion also has been demarcated for the sweet potato. Okay, but that area also, that's also, as you see, the places have been separated.
Okay.
Different places.
Yes.
Yes, we have divided them. And according to the demarcation, and we divided the plot accordingly. Yeah, here also, you see the sorrel. I think sorrel.
Okay, that's a sorrel there.
That's
okay.
sorrel. And this one you call it amaranthus.
Okay.
Yeah, and you have a few lettuce in this bed also here. Okay. Here also, that's the plot of onions. But this one, we have different organic. We are doing the trial there. We are doing the trial on it. Okay, we have the liquid one and the mayo one.
Okay.
So we are testing that. Yeah. Okay, that portion also we have a small bed, one bed of cabbage. This is cabbage.
Okay.
Yeah. Small cabbage, and we have a few short bed of amaranthus also again.
So what amaranthus?
Amaranthus,
Amaranthus, okay. So what kind of herb is this?
Yeah, it's a green. It's a green. Normally, in our local language, the one they call the soup.
Soup. Okay.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, this is the leaf they normally use.
Okay, for the soup.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's citrus. Citrus. Okay, that's the big lime. Called lemon.
Okay.
Lemon kawel.
Yes.
The rough lemon. These are the two beds. Yeah, the small one there. That one is a small lime.
Okay.
Or local lime in here. We call it small lime.
Okay. But the big lime, that's that's not native to Gambia.
The big lime normally, we use it, to transform it again, to graft it, to change it, because they are very sour.
Okay.
So when we sow it, right now, it's not due. When they due almost 70 to 75 centimeters or 80, you can start to board them or graft them to change them, with different variety of sweet oranges.
Okay.
Yeah, we have tangerine, mandarin, Valencia cocktail. So that's the branch. We cut it from different oranges and we attack it to him.
Okay.
Yeah, we grab
understand.
it. Yeah.
I understand.
You understand?
Yes.
Yeah, here are the purpose also. Yeah, as you can see, here is the purple places. Yeah.
Okay. What about this tree there? Well, what is this fruit?
This fruit actually in English, actually I don't know about the name, but in here we call it noni.
Noni.
Yes.
Yeah, I think that's the name there in English also. Noni.
Okay, noni. Okay. Yeah, noni is a herbs. Actually people say they use it for the herb. And our former president Jammeh, who bring this here, who introduced this thing to the Gambia.
Okay.
Actually, for me, I never use it. Yaya Jammeh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, where did he bring this noni from? Do you know?
No, actually, I don't know because I found this one here.
Okay.
Yeah, this one's star fruit.
Star fruit. Okay.
Yeah,
so
star
this
fruit.
is the star fruit.
Yeah, that's the star fruit.
But what season does the star fruit come here?
What season?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Gambians normally, some of them don't know these plants,
Okay.
Yeah, even right now, it's just, have been bearing the fruit not long ago. It's because of, we are having the monkeys in this garden here also, who normally come and destroy it,
I understand.
Yeah, but people are not familiar with this, It's only a few who know it.
Yeah.
Some of them, if you saw them, they don't even know it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, also, as you see, there's a pepper inside the polypot.
Okay.
Call it, guana.
Okay.
Guana. That is the big one, the hot one. Yeah, you see them. Those are the inside, and here is the compost place.
Okay.
That compost also, has been mixed by the super soil with the granite cell.
Okay.
So we ferment it and we water it every day. It will give us maybe some weeks. Yeah, we can apply it, to our plants. Or the crops.
I understand.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's the compost there. That's the groundnut.
And it's hot.
Okay. Yeah, it's very hot.
It's hot very well.
Yeah.
It's named quick compost.
What's it called?
Quick compost.
Quick compost.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this is the sour sop right here.
Yeah, this is sour sop.
Okay.
Yeah, and the purple, Yeah. As you can see, this one's also is a small lime.
Okay.
Yeah, these are small lime, and this one's also a micro garden. Micro garden. At least we create a boxes, whereby at least we put plastic inside, and as I said, we use that compost, put it inside. From there, we do our sowing, Yeah. Okay, the same place, as I said, here is the plot A, whereby, at least, you have a lot of nurseries inside. If you observe it, you'll see different varieties of plants, or you see the small limes and palm kernel, pawpaw, at that place, you even see the kola nut down there, the kola nut tree down there.
Let me see the kola nut tree.
This is the kola nut.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the kola nut. In fact, it was bearing the fruit. I don't know whether it had been fallen, but it was bearing the fruit.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't see the fruits. See the fruit one?
Yes.
Yeah. So
there's the kola nut tree.
Yeah, that's the kola nut tree. Yeah, it's still now.
And so what is the kola nut? is for, or what do you use it for?
Here in Africa, especially in Gambia here, people use it in naming ceremony.
Okay.
And if you have marriage ceremony also, people use it, Yeah, even funeral, people used to use it, because, it's our traditional belief, that's what we use, because we know this one here. In other part of Africa, some people use date.
Okay.
Yeah, like
Yes.
these Arabs, they use date.
Okay.
Yeah,
I understand.
that's the tamarind.
Okay, tamarind tree.
Yeah, tamarind tree.
Okay. So this running plant that's running on the ground, what is this?
Yeah, for these ones, we even found them here, but we are trying to, uproot them, bit by bit, because actually,
Okay.
yeah,
It's wild. It's not
wild.
like a
Yeah, it's a wild.
something
It's a
you
wild,
use.
Yes, it's a wild tree. It's a wild plant.
Okay.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Yeah, I think we kind of run through the entire garden. So how long has this garden been here?
For that one, for me, when I asked my masters, because for me, as I said, I was not in here. I just recently came here.
Okay.
Yeah, I just came here around January, end of January.
Okay.
Yeah, I was at somewhere else in Wellingara.
Okay.
That's when it's a modern horticulture center. So
Okay.
where I was started posting. So yeah, it just 2 to 3 months there. Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
So did you grow up as a farmer, or did your family teach you how to farm? Where did you develop the mindset to do garden?
Yeah, actually, for me, I can say, my father is a farmer. He's a modern farmer, because those days, those people, they use manpower and they farm like, let's say, this cash crop, So, but actually, our moms also, they do farming like sorry, onion. That will be season by season, so that they can sell it and get something out of it. Yeah, but for us here, I can say in an integrated farming system, it's continuous system here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, how do you see farming in the future of Gambia when it comes to the youth, when it comes to the young people? Is that something that they are gravitating towards, or do you see farming becoming less and less with the younger generation?
Actually, in the Gambia here, I can say, people are going for it, but one thing also there, the mindset of the people, they can be started farming, they don't have good markets.
Okay.
Yeah, if you don't have a good market in farming, always, as a starter in farming, it is always discourage you. So that's the main problem of it, But actually, farming is something, if you are focused on it, you can gain and earn something out of it. Whereby even, you are not employed by anyone, if you have a space and have water, you can able to do all those things, and, you can be employed by people again.
Definitely. Yeah. So is agroforestry popular here in the Gambia, or is that something that's new and developing?
Yeah, of course, it's popular here because, few of them are doing it, and those who know it, they are doing it, But alhamdulillah, now people are going for it, very well. Yeah.
So how do you feel about agroforestry instead of maybe the regular method like burning the soil after you harvest? Because agroforestry, you don't burn the soil. Some people they burn the soil after they harvest the food, but with agroforestry they don't do that. So as a farmer, how do you feel? Do you agree with burning the soil or disagree?
No, for me, actually, I disagree burning of the soil.
Okay.
Because, soil himself, you as a farmer, you are the one who's supposed to control your soil.
Yes.
You know how to treat your soil. Any soil, it have been formed like, to change, like if it doesn't have a manure, you are the one who will be able to treat that soil as how you want it. Yeah.
Definitely. Okay. Definitely. And also, like, I see, because I got a chance to visit some of the village, I see how they cut down the trees to make the charcoal, but they don't plant the trees back after they cut them. And how do you feel about that?
Actually, that's not good for us, and that's not good for the soil. That's why normally, if you observe it, like, during these days, from Friday to this last Sunday, it was very, very hot.
Yes.
Yeah, because of, people are breaking down the trees, they will not be planting trees, whereby, they'll use it as a charcoal, and that charcoal also will destroy the place, and the soil also will not be good anymore.
Definitely.
Yeah, because of, they are damaging the soil. Yeah.
Definitely, I agree with that. So, that's why we need to teach and educate people the importance of trees. And even if you cut it, you have to plant it back.
Yeah.
Because that's how nature works. Nature give you and then it recycle back. So the same thing. If we want to continue to have it, we have to put it back. Yeah. And so, but that's a great work that you're doing. I'm happy to be able to speak to you today and, continue to keep it up.
Thank you, my boss. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. Yeah.
Yeah, farming, in fact, it will be long last, it's a long last duration, If you focus on farming, according to, what the messenger said, even and our imams, they have a prick that and say that, the farming is something, which have been made in a world, to be rich and to be healthy, because without food, you will not be going for anywhere.
Definitely.
Yeah, so without food, you cannot be comfort. As you say, have you seen today, we are in the month of Ramadan, but when you go during the breaking fast, when you go at that time, you see that, at that plate, is so much beautiful of vegetables and the seafoods, in that plate, Yeah, it's just because of what? It's because of farming.
Definitely.
Yeah, if you don't farm it, where are you going to get that? Because Allah have utilized so many things, for us, So it's depend on us, for us, to go and do our creation and get something to eat.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I appreciate that. That's a good message. I appreciate that, and thank you for sharing that with me.
Thank you.
So, all right. So, Buba Sanyan, thank you very much for your time. All right. So, here is the farmer of this place here. He has been working here for 3 months, and his family, he grew up as a farmer. Buba Sanyan here. And so, he's the man behind this operation here. And so, we give him thanks for showing us and teaching us how he do the farming and the different methods here in the Gambia. We are on the smiling coast of Gambia. This is Bakau, and you all are welcome to come and visit this beautiful country, the smallest country yet the most beautiful here in the continent of Africa. Thank you, my man, for showing us this garden.
You are welcome. I appreciate it.
All right, thank you.